red mark every 30 days. With reference to the table above, recommend the type of cooking oil she should buy. Okay, so this is also similar to your 12 part A lah. You want to recommend her to buy something that is more worth it lah. Okay, so one easy way is we can compare each oil at the same volume. Then we will know which one is more worth it. Okay, so one way is we go and calculate when it's 1 liter, how much will it cost? Or we can calculate at 5 liters how much each one costs. Okay, easier, right? 5 liters. Olive oil. 5 liters olive oil will cost 500 ml is 0.5 liters. So to get 5 liters, we need to times 10. 0.5 times 10 will become 5 liters. So 10 times 70 equals to 70. 10 times 7 equals to $70. 5 liter peanut oil. Now 2 liter costs $6.45. From 2 liter to become 5 liter, we need to multiply by 2.5. 2 times 2.5 will give us 5. So 2.5 times 6.45 equals to 16.125. Then sunflower oil, 5 liter is already 5 liter, don't need to change anything, is $16.40. Okay, then we can recommend her to buy peanut oil because peanut oil is the cheapest. Okay, at 5 liters, if you want to buy olive oil, you need to pay $70. 5 liter, you only pay 16.125. 5 liter, $16.40. Okay, then state one assumption that you made in your recommendation. When we are recommending her to buy peanut oil, we are assuming that we use the same amount of oil for every cooking. Okay, which may not be true. Maybe when you use olive oil, you only need to use a bit. Then when you use peanut oil, you have to use a lot. Then our working will not give a correct solution already. But we don't know. Nobody tell us whether use olive oil have to use more or use peanut oil have to use more. So we don't know about this. So we just assume that we use same amount of oil when cooking. Okay? Or you can come from another angle. We are assuming that all the different oils is the same, like give you the same health benefit. Or maybe we are assuming that all the oils are safe to be used. Okay? When we are recommending. Okay? So this is one possible. The other one is the oil have same health benefits. Okay? We don't care, or we just assume that they are the same. You can have some other reasons also lah. These are the most straightforward one that I can think of. Okay, that is the end of paper 2. Then I think just take this time to remind everyone to number 1, before the paper starts, before start, go toilet. Okay? Don't use the exam time to go toilet. Then you are wasting the time that you can use to solve your problems, solve your questions, or those time you can use to think how to do some questions that you may not know. Okay, so before the start, go toilet first. Use the time outside of the exam time to go and solve your toilet issue. Number 2, remember to bring your calculator, your mathematical set, mathematical construction set. Okay, important, calculator and mathematical construction set. You will not be allowed to borrow anything from your friends during the exam. So if you really never bring, check before the paper, and if you still have time, go and find some teacher to borrow. I don't know you can find me or not. I am invigilation. Okay? Then remember I tell you all before, each mark you should be taking around 1.5 minutes. Okay? So if you find that you really cannot do the question, you are taking too long, skip that question first. Do the other questions. Skip questions that you cannot do. Skip first. Go and solve all your other questions that you can do, and then if you are able to finish those that you know faster, then you will save back some time. Then you can use that time that you save to go and think about the questions that you cannot do just now. Okay, so don't go and stuck there 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Then after that you have time, then you other questions even you can do, but you don't have time already. Okay, so skip first, go and do other questions. And remember, maths is always using what you know to find what you don't know. So definitely the questions can be solved. Sometimes you just need to think a bit longer of how to do it, and remember to read the question carefully. Okay, read the question carefully, understand what the question is asking you to do, understand what the question is asking, understand what are the information that the question give you, then how you can use the information they give you to solve. Okay, can